Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see what is the real meaning of zeros. Graphical representations. So what is the meaning? So suppose you take a linear polynomial ax plus b is equals where a is not equal to 0. So this is one linear polynomial. So general representation, this always will be a straight line. If you take y is equal to, you will get a straight. That's why it is called linear polynomial. Suppose for example you take y is equal to 2x plus 3. So it passes from this. Suppose x and y, if you substitute, if it is minus 2, so here x is minus 2, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, plus 3 is minus 1. So we'll get minus. Similarly substitute 2 if you substitute in this, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So this you'll get. Like that you take 2, 3, 9 and join the points. Mark the points. So this is your x-axis. So when x is 2, it is 7. So this is a point. Similarly when x is minus 2, that is minus 2, you got minus 1. So this is a graph. So you see that it will join. When you join these two lines, the line will meet at this point at minus 3 by 2. The y value will be equal to, that means x is equals to minus 3 by 2, it makes 0. So this is the point, minus 3 by 2. So you also know that 0 of, so this is called the 0 of the polynomial where it intersects the x-axis. So thus the 0 of this polynomial is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So how you got the constant minus constant divided by coefficient of x, that is minus 3 by 2. So this is how we can check. So wherever it intersects the x-axis, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. So this is for first order. So in general, for any linear polynomial, x plus b equal to 0 and a graph of y equals straight line which interacts exactly at a point, that is minus b by a, comma 0. So this y value will be 0 and x value at this point it will intersect. So this is the meaning of this. Similarly we can see the second order equation, quadratic equation whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So if you see the graph of this second order quadratic equation, you will get this like this, parabolas. It may be like this or inverted. Both ways you may get the graph. Open one or inverted one, depending on the values. Same thing, you can substitute some values. Say x is equal to minus 2, you will get like this, So where it is touching the x-axis, see, wherever you got 0, here you got 0, that means x. So this is one of the 0 of this. Similarly here, y value when it became 0 at minus 1. So these at two places it is becoming the value 0. So these are the two zeros of this quadratic equation which are touching the x-axis at minus 1, 0, and this is touching at 4, 0. So this is how to check the zeros of second order equation. Just substitute and see. So these are conditions. For second order equation, it may come like this. So it may intersect at a or a1, similarly a or a dash, similarly inverted it may come, which is a dash a, parabolic shape. Then it may come like this, which may intersect at only one point, up or down. These are the two cases. Similarly you may get here where it will not intersect the x-axis. Chances are like this, so there is no 0 for this. Similarly it may come like this, it is not touching the x-axis. So this case it has no zero. So these are the different cases for a second order equations. Okay, the graph may be looking like this. So this is about what is the meaning of zeros for a polynomial for second order and first order. First order you will get straight line, second order you will get a parabola. Okay, so wherever it is touching the x-axis, that point is called the zero of that polynomial. Okay, so here also this it has 2. So second order you will get 2, first order you will get only 1. Okay, so that is the meaning of zeros of a polynomial graphical method. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see some problems on this.